And gusts in Las Cruces are causing some truck drivers delays.
That's right. KTSM 9 News reporter Tani Davis, she's live from Las Cruces, speaking with truck drivers about what precautions they have to take during these types of conditions. Tani.
Andy, Natasha, powerful winds just rolling through Las Cruces, causing major traffic delays as several semis have broken down in the roads. Others have made their way to several truck stops while they wait out during these winds. Throughout the day, those truck drivers were driving to these truck stops to fill up, but for some, they rather stay or they were not going to go far after fueling. Most who have been traveling through Arizona and New Mexico know that once they encounter these winds, it is better to be safer staying in one place than trying to continue on their route.
Get off the road. You know, the biggest thing is a lot of people get blown over, and it's just best and safe to get off the road.
However, for another driver who has been in the business for over 15 years, says that while safety is always the priority, if what you are driving is heavier than most, you can keep on driving.
If you're nice and heavy, at about what we carry, about 45,000 pounds, we can go ahead and do about 60 miles an hour, nice and safely. If you're lighter, then I would recommend pulling over.
There are several trucks in this area that have opted to stay in one place until these winds die down. Camacho did tell me that as head of his company, he does expect to make safety a priority and expects his drivers to do the same. Reporting live from Las Cruces, Tani Davis, KTSM 9 News.
Tani,